Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have an amazing DeWalt deal over at Farm & Fleet that I want to share with you. Also, while you're here, we'll touch base on some of the latest deals posted on the website, and I'll have it all linked down below. But this is the main focus. Really good deal, actually. I was kind of surprised to see it. Happy to see it. DeWalt 20-volt max hammer drill with power stack battery. So you're getting the hammer drill, brushless. The power stack, this is the OG power stack, the 1.7 amp hour. You know, they just came out with that 5 amp hour power stack, which is kind of interesting, but that's not what this is. This is the 1.7. Comes with the DCB 107 charger, which is, you know, a boo-boo-ass charger. It's real slow. But, hey, it'll charge the battery for a 1.7 amp hour. It's okay. But you are getting a hammer drill, which I really like that. Now, let me show you some comparables. We look over at Lowe's. It's $169. Even listed as a bestseller at $169. Acme Tools, $169. Tool Nut, $180. Okay, so keep those comparables in mind. Now we look at the Farm & Fleet, boom, $99. Now you got to pay $7.99 shipping, or you could buy online, pick up in store. But $100, $70 cheaper than everyone else. It's an amazing deal. Now, Farm & Fleet also throws in a little free item when you spend $99 or more. So if we look at the free items, I mean, they're not exciting. But hey, throw it in your cart, I guess. I mean, why not? I don't even know why they do this. They must have an abundance of it. They're just trying to chuck it as much as they can. Anyway, $99 for the full kit. Pretty good, especially if you already have a drill, but you don't have a hammer drill. This is a nice way to get yourself a hammer drill. If you don't need the extra pieces, sell them off. You might just break even and end up with a hammer drill. So that's going to be linked down below. Now, also, I added an apparel page to the website. And we're going to see how this goes because I've spent much of the last year trying to reduce my efforts. Reduce the amount of time I'm at a computer looking this stuff up. And adding another category page is the exact opposite. It is the antithesis of spending less time at the computer. But I thought maybe people would like it and they would, you know, whatever. So we're going to have it linked down below. I'm not fully committed to it, as you might be able to tell. We're going to try it for like a month. If people like it, we keep doing it. If people don't like it, then we're not going to do it no more. So just real quick, I'm just going to skim through them. We don't need to actually go through everything. Anytime you see the text link here, it usually means that there are different sizes, colors, or styles available for that item. But like, you got a wallet, $25, 70% off. You got some socks, 50% off. You got this jacket, 15% off, and then a 5% coupon. So we're going to try and throw, you know, different things like this on the page and see how it goes. Got the heated vest. It's 55% off. It's going to be under $25 for a heated vest. Actually, pretty damn good deal for a heated vest. And then at the very bottom, I got some of my t-shirts. $16.99. There's no promo code or coupon because I only make, I think it's like $2.50 at that price. So, I mean, I can make it $2 cheaper, but then I'm only making 50 cents. I'm like, I don't get out of bed for 50 cents. So, I will get out of bed, however, for $2.50 because I'm a cheap date, damn it. So, anyways, if you want to get any of these t-shirts at the bottom, you know, it's a little bit of a kickback to me. Plus, there's some damn cool t-shirts, all right? Now, going on to the homepage, obviously, the Farm & Fleet deal we just looked at. We got a solder seal deal, 30% off and a 15% coupon, total of 45% off. Really like the solder seal. Now, this one's 330 pieces, starts out at $26. You're almost cutting that price in half. The text link had a bunch of variations, different quantities and such that you could choose from, so a really good deal there. We got the ear clamps, the PEX cinch clamps, 304 stainless steel, 50% off, $14.97. Go to your teenager's bed with this one. 2-pack UV flashlight, black light, $9.99, 50% off, $5, $2.50 a piece. Gross yourself out. LED camping lantern, dimmable retro lamp, Type-C rechargeable, $19.99. 40% off of this guy. Now, the text link had a black version and a green version. Well, we got 41 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belt, so hopefully a pretty good lantern there. Jump starter. Everyone loves the jump starters. Oh, damn, it won't show the price. Hold on. These jerks already killed this deal. I hate when they do that. Just posted it today. It's supposed to go through the 6th. It didn't even last 3 or 4 hours, and they already killed the deal. So I'll probably take it off the page, but okay, so I'll take it off the page. No point in going any further. It is on sale, but it's not that price anymore. We got the 2-pack multifunctional plastic oil funnel with flexible extension nozzle by UBCO. 50% off, normally $9. So 40% promo code, 10% coupon. So from 925. Next up, we have the 12-watt LED work light, 1000 lumen LED rechargeable torch lit portable floodlight by Quarantine. $23.99, 50% off. Now, this was posted yesterday, so, you might have to be a little careful on if promo codes are still good here. But $23.99, 50% off. It's going to be $11.99 now. We have this glass rinser. And these things are actually pretty cool. You only see the top portion of this, but it comes as a full kit to completely install it to your existing sink. And you throw a glass upside down on this thing and push down, and it's like a little valve, and it opens up when you push down on it, and it rinses your glass for you. So it's $19.99, 40% off. You pay $11.99, and these have been around for at least a year or two. I bought mine maybe about a year ago, but I paid like $40 for it. So you can definitely find more expensive ones. Even the one I paid $40 for, this base is made out of plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and assume this one's made out of plastic too, only because the price is so much cheaper. I mean, I'll really feel like I got screwed if this one's like some nice, finished metal. But anyways, it's really cool. You just get a little T, you tap it into your cold water line, bring it up there, and they work pretty good too. And then you got this little thing so it hangs over the edge of your sink, so all the water just kind of flows like a waterfall back into the sink. Over at Max Tool, we have the Milwaukee M12 cordless job site fan with a free 2 amp hour battery. It's going to be $89. They have free shipping on orders over $199. Now, Home Depot has it for $99. You also get the free battery, and of course, you're going to get free shipping at Home Depot. So it's a little bit better deal at Max Tool, but they're pretty close to the same there. Acme Tools is $89, no free battery, also no free shipping. Tool Nut $89, no free battery, no free shipping. Over at Home Depot, a returner of a deal that we've seen a while ago. It's probably been going throughout the holiday season, but $13.97 for a 3-pack of locking pliers. You get the 6.5 long nose, the 7, the 10s. And this was actually $1 cheaper in 2021, which is now 2 years old. 2 years ago. Well, like a year and a couple months, but Updated the Amazon Basics page last night, so everything on here was accurate as of last night, but it might not be right now. Anyway, the link I'll put down below will be to the full post. This is just the top couple of deals listed on the homepage there. We got the digital multimeter from Astro AI, 6,000 count voltmeter, manual and auto ranging, measures voltage tester, current continuity, frequency, test diodes, transistors, temperature, $33.99, and then 30% off, so about 1/3 there, or what's that, about $11. Got a power tool organizer, 8 drill slots, heavy duty drill wall mount power tool storage rack, 50% off by McGavin. This is the first time that I can remember that there was a double decker. I kind of like the double decker idea, don't you? It's neat, holds twice as much in one piece. $44.99, 50%, $22.49. Over at Walmart, we had the Frontier 48-inch heavy-duty workbench with adjustable height for $149, normally $300. Going to get free shipping on that heavy-ass thing. Beats the hell out of going to the store and getting it yourself. Last day for the Acme Tools New Year's sale. You're saving $50 on purchases of $3.99 or more, $30 on $2.49 or more, and $15 off $149 or more with promo code New Deal. Look at these DeWalt pruners. Someday they're going to be included in a pretty damn good promo code, and I'll be buying them. I'm interested to try them because Amazon's had some knockoff brands, and even the knockoff brands are pretty expensive. If you go look up Amazon right now and put cordless pruner, I bet you have reasonably close prices to that $119. Now, it might be a full kit as opposed to a bare tool, but you're not finding them for $19.99 or something cheap like that. So I'm kind of surprised that the DeWalt versions aren't a little bit more expensive. Anyway, I want to give them a try. 30-foot dryer vent cleaner kit, 4-inch PBT brush with drill attachment, soft bristles, flexible and reusable rods. Versatile lint brush. Normally $30. We have 30% off and a $30 $3 coupon. I actually bought one of these like 6 months ago. Haven't used it yet, but it looked promising. Probably something I should do before the house burns down. Says the guy whose house just burnt down. No, I'm just kidding. 115 in 1 precision screwdriver set, professional magnetic repair toolkit by Axith. 50% off, $24.99 down to $12.99. Now this isn't going to be very helpful for many people because the sale is going to be over in 2 minutes, but expires at the end of day today. It can be used in store or online. It has the laundry list of exclusions, unfortunately, but 25% off at the old Harbor Freight. I was trying to think when's the last time I was there. I think we might be approaching 2 years since I've bought anything from Harbor Freight. It's a sad day. I used to go there like once a week. They ruined it. Walmart, it's you, not me. Walmart. Ozark Trail 11-piece camping hatchet and knife tool set, 4-in-1 hatchet and saw, 4-inch fixed blade knife, 50-foot paracord. Okay, you get all the stuff. $14.88. Now, if you're a Walmart Plus member, you'll get free shipping on top of that. Otherwise, I believe what's it, a $5.99 shipping charge at Walmart if you're not a Walmart Plus member. We're going to try and do more Walmart deals just because I am now a Walmart Plus member, so I get all this free shipping. So I want to take advantage of it and buy some stuff, especially if it's a good deal. So we're going to, pass it along because that's what we do. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.